Two of the four persons who were shot in the St. Andrews Central Police Division on Sunday have succumbed to injuries. Dead is 17-year-old Rashan Rue, otherwise called Papa, who was a student at Gainsted High School and of Ironman Close, Kingston 6 address. The other man is yet to be identified. The two other injured persons remain in hospital. The police say so far they are yet to establish a motive for the shooting. 7 men were apprehended by airport police and members of the Lotto Scam Task Force during operations in the parish of St. James on Monday. The first exercise was initiated by police attached to the Sangsters International Airport. Reports are that one man was observed at the airport acting in a suspicious manner while withdrawing money from an ATM machine that only dispensed US dollars. The task force was contacted and a joint operation was carried out during which the man, identified as Kimar Cameron, a 36-year-old bellhop of Anchovy, was accosted and found with a gold Visa card bearing the name of someone living overseas, along with US $820. Cameron was arrested and charged for the offense of possession of access device and placed in custody on Barnett Street Police Station. In the second raid, a team of officers went to Adelphi section of the parish, where 6 men were seen in an unfinished building talking on their cell phones. The men were held by the police and a search of the building conducted, and a total of 35 letter-sized sheets of paper populated with names, addresses, and telephone number of persons residing overseas were found. Police said they also seized 11 cell phones. The devices were inspected and found to have lead, list, and numerous dial calls with overseas number. The men were arrested and placed in custody at the Barnett Street station.